So in your packed lunch you have sandwich, apple, cheese crackers, raisins and yogurt, okay? Remember to bring the spoon home, okay? Yeah? Is that okay? Off for the school run. This little guy is all wrapped up because we're walking to school today. Are you excited? He's going on his scooter while I'm walking. So I've just got my, what jumper is this? ASOS jumper on, and then my All Saints puffer jacket, which is really warm. I'm literally sweating right now, but I know it's really cold outside. Sarah skinny jeans. It's got like rips in the knees, and then I've got my fascias on. I've got a scarf as well, and then my coat and my mask and stuff like that is just going to go in my pocket. So you ready to go? Yeah, come on then, let's go. Just walked Aiden to school. Now I'm home. I quickly went to Tesco's. I'm gonna make a soup. Remember in my last vlog that I bought this green radish thing? Basically I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna put it on the boil and then tidy the home. So whilst this is boiling and I'm cleaning, it's going to be ready by the time I finish cleaning. I don't know what I'm talking about. I've just walked home in like the freezing cold and my brain is kind of like freezed. So what I'm going to do is put this into boiling water to get rid of all the gunk, but you make sure you put it into the cold water. So instead of waiting for the water to boil and then putting the ribs in, you want to put the ribs straight into cold water and then boil it. So into cold water it goes. You don't have to use ribs, you can use like other cuts of pork, but I just like ribs because I like the flavour of ribs. So there we go. I'm just going to put that much in, not too much. I'm probably going to save this to make congee tomorrow. And then you want to peel these, put it into the boiling water, put in some ginger. I love putting ginger in all of my soup because I feel like it's really good for the body. It's really nourishing, especially this time of the winter as well. And then I've got 2 dried scallops which I'm gonna rehydrate. Just put it in some warm water and then that'll go in as well. And that is literally it. Once you bring it all to the boil, you just want to season it with salt to taste, and then that's it, literally. Morning, after I've vacuumed and mopped the floor, I'm gonna try and sort through this. This is basically stuff that I've been sent, PR stuff that I don't necessarily use or I want to give away. When it was lockdown number 1, I actually gave away a lot to my friends, like a lot, and then I sent some off to charity as well. But over time it just kind of like accumulates again and then it becomes full. So over here, this is my entryway, my hallway. I have this little kind of like storage section. I was about to say a shelf then. What is this? Storage cabinet. I put all my books on top of there, and that is Coco. Anybody who's been watching me for a long time will know who Coco is, but that's Coco. I have a little Buddha, my glasses go there so that whenever I leave the home I remember to wear my glasses. Got a mirror up here, but what I wanted to do is kind of change this area. I want to get rid of this, but the problem is because I have so much stuff in these drawers, if I got rid of this, I'm not sure what I would do. I might need to buy a bigger storage place. But in here is my backup skincares. So skincare that I haven't tried yet and that I'm meaning to try. I store it all in here. Ultra facial cream by Kiehl's, is a staple. I love that. I've got 2 backups. And then some serums from Kiehl's, Pixie, Elemis, that kind of stuff. And then I have another drawer. This is skincare as well. So decluttered, Clinique, Estee Lauder, Glam Glow. So all of this stuff is stuff that I want to try, but I haven't gotten around to trying yet, because you know I only have like one face, so it takes a while. And then in here I have all my hair care stuff, which I haven't opened yet. These are all new stuff. A lot of Bumble and Bumble. I love Bumble and Bumble stuff. Charles Worthington stuff as well. What is this? Volume and Bounce Mousse. This has been in here for quite a while, because they've actually changed the packaging now. And then up here, more skincare. I've been meaning to try these. These are the Bumble and Bumble's Invisible Oil. And then a lot of living proof stuff as well, because I love living proof. So that's that. And then in here, these are all of my minis. So whenever I'm going away or I'm going on holiday, I go into this drawer and then I take whatever I want. There's a lot in here. Obviously I haven't been anywhere this year. Haven't even been up north to see my parents or anything. Haven't slept anywhere else. So I haven't used much of this. Oh, I just realised there's a hand gel in here. I didn't even realise there's a hand gel. I'm gonna keep that out so I can use that. Here are my contact lenses, and then a random tape measure, which I've been using a lot because I've been thinking about changing my TV cabinet and my rug, so I've been using my tape measure a lot. So yeah, and then these 2 drawers are full of like electrical stuff, like fabric scissors, suitcase, kind of like tie, earphones, electrical stuff. And then in here we have coffees, cloves, and then hair lead. So that's everything in here. So if I was to get rid of this, I need something with a lot of storage, because right now there's a lot in there.
Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring.
I just finished filming a reel. It's all about mascara. So if you follow me on Instagram, it'll be up. It's basically a really good mascara. Look at that, guys. That is all my lashes. It is such a good mascara. I put it on Instagram. So I've just finished filming that. I'm just watching an episode of America's Got Talent. Gonna have a cup of tea. Still got another 2.5 hours until I pick up Aiden, so I'm gonna do some housework. I haven't vacuumed yet. I decided to make a really quick reel, like a Instagram reel, on impulse. It wasn't planned. So yeah, that kind of took over the morning. My soup's ready. Dog's going crazy like usual. Honestly, I feel like she doesn't like me talking to the camera. Look at her, she blends in with the teddies. These are all of Aiden's teddies. Coffee! Calm down. Sit down. Sit. Sit.
Where do you live, Nolan? I'm a national.
Why does she look evil? Why does she look so evil? I think I need to trim the hair around her eyes. Just popped on a little red headband, feeling very festive now. I'm about to sort out this box of goodies. What I'm going to do is put it into categories. So things that I want to keep, things I can give to friends, and then things I'm going to send to charity. I think I'm going to do another big box of stuff for charity. Yeah, so it's just deciding what I want to keep. Sometimes I keep telling myself that I'll keep it and I'll try it, but I never ever get around to trying it just because I have too many things. And this is a brand that I've never tried before, so I really want to try it. It's called Peter Thomas Roth, and these are the Peptide 21 exfoliating peeling pads. Has any of you tried stuff from this brand before? If you have, let me know, because I'm going to keep that. It sounds good, like peeling pads. I love peeling pads. I love the Elemis ones, which are, I actually have the backup here. These are the resurfacing facial pads. The Nip and Fab glycolic pads are really good, as are the Cosrx clearing pads. Those are what helped my acne when I had lots of acne. I've got a 8-hour cream. Really like random stuff. It's a mixture of everything. Jo Malone. Oh, this is from no, it's from Chinese New Year. So earlier this year I went to an event with Jo Malone, and they gave me a English pear cologne, and it's in this limited edition like Chinese New Year packaging. I feel like I can't talk today. I feel like there's so many things going on in my mind that I can't focus. Like, these are really good. These are the Carmex Moisture Plus lip balms with a little tint of colour. I already have the peach one, which I opened and I'm using. These are the colours that I haven't opened, so I might put those into some like goodie bags to give to friends. This is a cleansing oil that I really like, but I haven't used in a while. I have 2 bottles because I actually asked my mum or my sister to get me 2 bottles when they were in Hong Kong. I used this ages and ages ago when I was in Hong Kong, and I remember that was really good, so I've got 2 bottles, but yeah, I haven't used it yet because, oh my god, it's leaking, because I just haven't finished the stuff that I'm using right now. I don't like to waste product, which is why I get through products so slowly, because I like to finish a product, figure out whether it's good or not, and then try something new instead of trying everything all at once. And I find that when you try everything all at once, it's really hard to tell which product is actually doing your skin justice, because you've introduced so many different skincare products. Like, how are you going to know? This is another good cleansing balm. This is the Vanilla and Co. If you're into Korean beauty, then you probably have tried this, because it's like one of the most popular cleansing balms. It's called Clean It Zero. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go, oh, this is something that I'm gonna put in my shower tonight and try tonight. L'Occitane shower oil. I've heard so many good things about this. My skin is hella dry now. My knees are really ashy. It's like actually gross. I moisturize them every night, and I use like a scrub when I shower, but they're still really dry. I don't know why. I think it's just the weather or radiators, whatnot. So I'm gonna try this tonight, hopefully, because it's an oil. It'll be a little bit more moisturizing than what I'm using currently. Yeah, let me just go through this. So there's 2 things that I wanted to show you. First of all, these face masks, which I got from Boots. It's £15 for a pack of 3. I have one in my bag right now because I used it on the school run this morning. But they're 3 layers. They're reusable. You get 3 in a pack, which isn't bad. It works out to be £5 each. They're really thick, like compared to the disposable ones that I've been using. These are really thick. For the first, I would say 10 minutes, I felt like, honestly, I felt like I couldn't breathe. But then I kind of just got used to it, and then it's okay now. But the second thing that I want to talk about is crystals. I've been really into crystals. I've got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 crystals now, and first of all, yeah, they're really pretty, but second of all, I've been using it to give me new energy. So there's a way to cleanse them, and there's a way to charge them, and I've just been really into crystals. I need to buy a book to read up more about them, because I'm only a beginner, so I only know the basics. I went to Sainsbury's not only to get dinner, but on Friday it's Christmas jumper day, so I went to get a Christmas jumper for Aiden, and this is what he chose. A Pikachu one. It's actually really cute. Yeah, he's trying to show you his Christmas jumper. Yeah, that's better.
Hi.
I just love having a Christmas tree there. It makes the whole room so cozy and Christmassy. You want to say hi?
I made this bracelet too.
Oh yeah, we made bracelets. I've got one and you've got one, haven't you?
Your
We've got one
in
each.
my room.
Is it? Whereabouts?
When I did my advent calendar.
When you did your advent calendar.
And look at Ruby on Pikachu.
Who's that?
Because Ruben Dad got from a birthday.
Yeah, I've got him a little
Pikachu.
Reuben and a little Pikachu.
And one more thing. And a baby dinosaur.
Baby, what dinosaur is that?
T-Rex.
T-Rex. Yeah, your favourite.
What happened down the dungeon?
She is such a stalker, honestly. What is that pillow?
I can't see on floor before.
Show them how to sit on it then.
On the floor?
On the floor. So why do you keep bringing it up on the sofa?
Because I want to do something.
Nice and comfy. Look at him crossing his legs. So cute.
That's what I do at fun hot course, yes.
Do you? Oh yeah, you cross your legs when you sit on the floor. Why do you have to cross your legs when you sit on the floor?
Carpet, you mean?
On the carpet, yeah, that's what I meant. Why do you have to cross your legs?
In case nobody fall down.
So nobody falls and stands on your hands.
If somebody do like this, look,
Yeah,
shake them here,
yeah.
and then they will fall down.
They'll fall down and hurt themselves. Oh, okay.
And Teddy fall down last time too.
Did he? Did he cry?
In the big park.
In the big park? Did he cry?
But when he's come down the gas, he's not crying now.
Oh, okay. Is that your best friend?
Bertie Boss. Every
I'm not going to, yeah, and won't hurt Teddy.
You're not going to let anyone hurt Teddy? Why?
He's my best friend.
Because he's your best friend? Aww. You're going to help him? Always? Just sat in Aiden's room. Because he wants to build his advent calendar. A lot of you guys have been asking me to do
I'm doing my room because I don't lost anything.
You say don't lose anything? Yeah, a lot of you guys have been asking me to do a room tour of Aiden's room. I haven't really finished it, but this is kind of like a little sneak peek of what his room looks like right now. I haven't really finished it. It's been quite a while. I really should finish it, but when I do finish it, I'm gonna show you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I think it's quite long, maybe. Aiden, do you want to say bye?
Bye.
Yeah, so I'll see you.
Wait. I got a combo panda
Got a combo panda
for my birthday.
for your birthday. What does it do?
Makes
What's
noise.
up?
What?
What's up?
I got burger.
Who got you it?
Mommy for my birthday.
Yeah, so when I do finish his room, I will give you a room tour of like a before and after. But so far it's nearly finished. So this is like looks like a little sneak peek. I'm just sat on his bed. But when it is fully finished, I'll give you a tour. My gosh, this spot is getting big. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye guys.
Bye.